In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Shein mobile app on your Android smartphone. Now, if you're having issues with your Shein mobile app, maybe it can't open or it is not responding or you are experiencing errors, then this tutorial should help you to clear these errors. Now, for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should work on any Android smartphone. And the first thing you need to do is to go to settings and then look for apps. And my apps option is down here. Open it and then go to manage apps. This is the option and tap on it. Now this will open up all your apps on your smartphone. Scroll down and look for Shein, and here it is. Now what you need to do is to open your app and then go to storage. Now one of the reasons why your Shein app is likely misbehaving is because of the cache. So the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and clear this cache, and to do so, head down here and you can see clear data option is available here. Alternatively, if you go back, you still see clear data is here, and if you tap on it, we have two options here, either to clear all the data or to clear cache. Now in the first step, you only need to clear cache, so let's go ahead and clear cache. That is done. Now if you go to cache, you see it has been cleared. Now from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then try opening the app. If the problem still persists, now we have to go and clear the user data. And for this, go ahead and tap on clean data again. And here now we are going to clear all the app data, and this will include files, settings, account, database, and cache on your smartphone. And this is a permanent process. You will have to log in afresh for you to be able to use this mobile app. Go ahead and click on OK to clear all the app data, and as you can see now, the user data has also been cleared to 0. Now go ahead, try and open your mobile app, and at this point it should work well. Now in case that didn't solve your problem, all you need to do is to go now to your Play Store and update your mobile app. If we have any new update, just go to Play Store and look for the app again and look for any update if it is. Now for this case, there is no update, and that's why we only have the open option. But should you find that there is an update option, go ahead and tap on it, update your mobile app, and it should work well. Suppose that does not work, go ahead and uninstall your mobile app, come again to Play Store and then install it afresh. By following any of those methods, you will get your app running without any issue. If this was helpful to you, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.